If you are unable to add your eSIM in your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. But before we start, just make sure that your iPhone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now after you've done that, the second thing you should do is just remove your eSIM from any old device. For example, if you're using your eSIM in any other iPhone or on any other device, just remove it from that device. And after you've done that, then just perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just check if the QR code for your eSIM has been expired or not. For that, just contact your carrier provider, and if your QR code is expired, they will give you another QR code so you could add your eSIM to your iPhone. But if the issue is not in your eSIM, then just go to Settings and tap on General. From here, tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now after you do that, then just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now by resetting the network settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the network related settings of your iPhone. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix eSIM cannot be added on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.